Happy Mother's Day soon. Yeah, the Tower Building in Hong Kong. Okay. And the ICC building too. And IFC building. And here it is. And China building. TST. There it is. And May 6, 2025. It's 8 o'clock in the evening, guys. So nice the weather here. Very clear. So cool. That's nice. And the beauty of all the building here around. You can see, diba? So cool. There it is. Oh, diba? Ganun lang yan dito sa ating lugar. Makikita mo lahat ng views sa Hong Kong, guys. Central Hong Kong and the other parts of Hong Kong Island. Hong Kong Home. A new territory. Yan ang ating makikita. Okay. Thank you for watching.